and friends. The best season. What season does Mickey love best of all? He loves winter. He can wear mittens. Look at his clothes. He can skate on a lake. Look at him go. What season does Minnie love best of all? She loves spring. She can wear a raincoat. Look at her clothes. She can play in a puddle. Look at her go. What season does Goofy love best of all? He loves summer. He can wear a bathing suit. Look at his clothes. He can swim in a pool. Look at him go. What season does Donald love best of all? He loves fall. He can wear a sweater. Look at his clothes. He can jump in the leaves. Look at him go. What season does Pluto love best of all? He loves winter and spring, and summer and fall. In every season, he has a ball. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.